This stack of cash is what I earn every 20 days doing absolutely nothing. Head on over to maxfi.tech, go to the Earn tab, go to Deposit and Earn, Uniswap v3, scroll down until you see Wrapped ETH / CLAWD, two-sided deposit. I'm going to click Max. I am going to put in $1,100 of Wrapped ETH and CLAWD tokens that are in my wallet right now. And I am going to select a 12% wide range with a 4-hour rebalance delay. Auto rebalance on, fee compounding on. And then I am just going to come on down here and click approve. Now that my tokens are approved, I am going to click deposit and earn. And I am going to now view my position. $963 were deposited. And that slight difference is because the price shifted a little bit in the time that I was making the deposit. So it didn't get a perfect 50-50 ratio. The remainder of that $1,100 went right back to my wallet, and the position opened up with $963 value. It is in range right now. It will start earning fees immediately the next time somebody swaps Wrapped ETH for CLAWD or CLAWD for Wrapped ETH in this liquidity pool. And when they do, I will earn a fee here. I will start earning, and based on what we are seeing in the MaxFi Discord server, multiple people are running this strategy on the same exact pool and earning 5 to 7% per day right now. So for me, with about this much, that will earn me $55 or $60. So $60 I will make while I'm sleeping Saturday, $60 Sunday, $60 Monday, $60 Tuesday, $60 Wednesday, $60 Thursday, $60 Friday, $60 Saturday. Again, you get the point. And if all goes well, I will make this stack back in about 20 days. And then I will take that and put it into my blue chip Bitcoin liquidity positions, which is like my savings account that does between 100 and 200% APR per year, which makes me about another $150 per day. So that is how I do it. This is a higher risk play. This is what we call a degenerate meme coin pool. So position your size accordingly. This is a very small part of my crypto portfolio. So putting $1,000 here to make it back in 20 to 30 days is worth the risk for me. CLAWD token is getting insane volume right now, similar to what we saw last year with Farcoin. It's got millions of dollars in liquidity and millions of dollars of volume going through it every single day. So it is an actual money printer. We have people in the MaxFi server doing $600, $700, $800 per day on this pool. It's an absolute money printer right now. So yeah, that is my next position, and I will keep you updated on how it's going. For the record, MaxFi.tech is a white label brand of Snuggle. So MaxFi is running Snuggle smart contracts on the back end. I own and control all the smart contracts across all of the Snuggle brands for all the protocols who are utilizing Snuggle technology. So same awesome benefits that you get from Snuggle, you get on MaxFi as well. But MaxFi offers these Degen pairs that we do not have on the Snuggle website. So if you are into the meme coins, the altcoins, the Degen stuff, head on over to maxfi.tech. And if you scroll down on the website, you can find the link to the Discord server where people are posting screenshots of their positions, sharing their strategies about which pools are printing right now, what strategies are working best on them. It's absolutely amazing. So enjoy it. I'm gonna make this back in about 20 days, and every single day after that, it'll just be $60, $60, and that will just go to my Bitcoin bag, which also prints money on Snuggle.fi. I'm going to make a very large deposit there in the next few minutes. So, money printer, print. See you guys on the next one.